we go.
This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio tone and safe alert systems. This test is conducted each Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific launches, warnings, and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and safe alert systems. Now for the 10 a.m.
Okay.
across the northeastern United States. In Massachusetts, it looks cloudy in 72. In EAS, cloudy in 69. And in Nantucket, cloudy in 66. In Rhode Island, Providence, cloudy. Light and variable winds. Friday, partly sunny. Humid with highs in the lower 80s. Light and variable winds becoming southeast around 10 miles an hour in the afternoon. Friday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Saturday, mostly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s.
Well,
In New York City, mostly
it's still on.
72. And in Iceland, cloudy and 75. In Burlington, partly sunny.
Oh, that's kind of pick it up.
In Concord, cloudy and 71. Was in the mid-60s.
This guy got it. Second time now having two alerts in effect at the same time during the test. The first one being a flip watch.
The storms may produce.
I have to adjust the antenna.
Impact Monadnock Mountain.
Like I got it. 301 got it. Alright, 3 got it. I think everything got it except for the zone guard.
A chance of showers in the afternoon, likely in the evening.
I'll just set everything back to WNG 575.
Lower 60. Secured.
This thing is scrolling through all the fucking alerts it's gone off for.
5 to 10, 60.
Alright, gotta fix the antenna on that one again. AlertWorks obviously got it.
Partly northern New Hampshire, including the following areas: Carroll, Grafton, Gwen.
Cobra got it. Always nice to see. And now we get to watch the scroll go bye-bye because for some reason if you switch channels it makes the scroll go away. HH picked it up.
Up to 20 vulnerable.
Version 1 got it. Classic, iconic V1 test scroll. Emerson got it.
Until midnight Thursday for the following areas: in New Hampshire, northern Carroll.
Come on now.
Euro the 11 around New England. In New Hampshire, in Manchester, it was cloudy. The temperature.
Back to the back.
Relative humidity.
74-200 got it. Nice to see. this picked it up. Alright, so it still does the 2 scrolls, alright.
Temperature was 52.
400, got it. I gotta be quicker, they might actually test right now.
3.
Those are already swapped, and last but not least, the next digital got it.
Heavily cloudy.
Now we just wait on gray. Actually, did we 30 get it? Yes, it did. Alright, so now we just wait on gray. Cut back to another battle.
This is a test of NOAA radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for southwest New Hampshire and north central Massachusetts. West of today, patchy fog late this morning. Cloudy with a chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall late this morning. Some thunderstorms may produce gusty winds. Ohio, heavy rainfall.
Alright.
Becoming south.
This time everything got it except the V1.
The rain 50%. Tonight.
Whatever. Alright. Good stuff, good stuff. I like what I see.
The National Weather Service in Green has issued a flash flood warning for west central Oxford County in western Maine, northeastern Carroll County in northern New Hampshire, southeastern Coos County in northern New Hampshire until 6:45 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding.
Oh, shit.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Bartlett, Lovell, Jackson, Chatham, Gilead, Stowe, Batchelder's Grant, Shelburne, Stoneham, and Nesson. This includes the following rec locations: Speckled Mountain, Evans Notch, Kearsarge North, Caribou Mountain, North Baldface, South Baldface, Mount Doublehead, West Royce Mountain, Mountain Pond, East Royce Mountain, and Deer Hills. The 3 p.m. weather observations across New England. Cloudy 67. Freiburg, cloudy 73. Wisconsin, cloudy 65. Augusta, cloudy 69.
I think that might actually be my first ever recorded considerable, aka life-threatening flash flood warning. Because you do not see that very often up in New England territory. Wow, it's crazy.